So one of my favorite things from Apple has to be an iPad, and they are so fantastic. I just got this one. This is the 9th generation iPod, and I'm gonna tell you, they are really inexpensive nowadays. I remember buying the first one that ever came out many years ago, and it was pretty expensive. But again, I love it because you could do so many different things. You could check your emails, you could check your calendar, you could watch videos. I mean, it's just a really cool thing that you could carry around to different meetings and things like that. And again, it's really beneficial. If you are a content creator, this thing is freaking awesome. You could really schedule everything that you got going on. And obviously the fact that it kind of connects to your iPhone and you have that flexibility to do things that reflect on your iPhone and back to the iPad, to me, is really fantastic. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do an unboxing. It's just going to be a regular unboxing. I'm going to open it up and show you what's in here, give you a quick detail of what's inside the box. By the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I definitely appreciate your support here in the Content Creator Tools channel. I talk about gear that can help you become a better creator, right? So with that being said, let's hit the second camera and let's do an unboxing. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of the iPad, and you can see it right here. I mean, the presentation is always fantastic. Obviously, it says iPad right here, and back here, it's going to say 64 gigs, and this is going to be the 9th generation Wi-Fi, right? So again, the presentation is really nice. You open it up just like this, and this is what you got right here. So obviously you got the iPad right here. It's nicely covered by this. We're going to uncover this in about a second or so. Then you're going to have the charger. That's pretty nice. So you have your charger right here, the charging block, and then you're going to have the cable right here to charge it. Obviously, again, I love the presentation of this thing. I think that's about it. This is not coming out. And in here, you should have, and it came out, you should have some of the paperwork. So again, some paperwork, you got a couple stickers. If you use the stickers, let me know in the comment section below. You have some more information. And again, if I open this up, this is kind of what you got right here. So again, some information about the iPad. Again, you know, it's very simple. Usually you turn it on and just follow the steps. It's really not that difficult to use. So here's the iPad, and again, we're just going to open it up real quick. This is going to be the space gray, and hopefully I don't put that many fingerprints. And this is kind of what you have right here. Let's look at this side right here. Very pretty. I mean, this thing is really nice. This being the regular iPad, I think it has a headphone connector right here, which to me is good. I kind of like that old school stuff, right? You have your button right here to turn it on. You have your volume here and here. So this is going to be the 10.2, I believe. And again, that's going to be about it. That's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So there you have it. That's going to be the iPad Generation 9. Obviously, we're going to use it for quite a while, and then we're going to do a full review later on. Make sure you like, subscribe, stay tuned, because we got tons of videos coming up.